Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by using the platform's official account recovery tools. This preserves security and keeps your rights intact. Enter the email or phone tied to the account, then follow the verification steps the service offers. Once done, make sure you have proof of purchase handy, receipt, order ID, or the dollar amount charged, because support may ask for it. This is the legal, reliable way to regain access, so you can redeem your code without risking lockout or violating terms. Next, contact the platform's verified support team. Do not use third-party offers or tools. Explain your situation clearly, include the redeem code, and attach proof of purchase so they can validate ownership. Once you submit these items, request either a temporary reset link or ask them to apply the code directly for you. Keep an eye on official response windows and make sure to follow any security checks they require. This both speeds resolution and preserves account integrity. Finally, complete the account reset or accept the support agent's action. Then redeem the code and verify the content appears in your account. If the redeem fails or access stays blocked, escalate politely. Supply more verification documents, photos of receipts, or transaction records. Once you've exhausted the platform's support, contact the retailer or payment provider as a fallback. One troubleshooting tip: double-check account, email spelling, and search spam folders for verification messages before assuming failure.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.